Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to do an easy and inexpensive Dollar Tree Christmas wreath. You can make this wreath for only $7 if you want to. Don't forget, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. This is the first time that I have made a wreath this way, so I wasn't exactly sure how many rolls of deco mesh I would need, but you only need 6 rolls. You're going to need one wreath form, and I'm using a 12-inch. You're going to need some pipe cleaners, some ribbon with wire, and all 6 of my rolls of deco mesh came from Dollar Tree. They're the 6-inch, so you'll need 3 green and 3 white. You do not have to use any ribbon on your wreath unless you want to. You can make this wreath for any season or holiday. I am just making mine for Christmas. First, you're going to start out with taking your mesh and you're going to cut it into 12-inch strips. Now, I wasn't exactly sure that the 12-inch strips would work because this is my first time to do a wreath this way, and I've never seen anyone else to do it like this. So if you have, let me know, but I think I've come up with a new way to use the Dollar Tree 6-inch mesh. And you can use whatever color deco mesh that you would like. I'm just using green and white for this wreath. Cut your pipe cleaners in half. You're going to take your 12-inch strip, have it curling toward the ceiling, fold the left side toward the center, fold the right side toward the center, then rotate it and walk your fingers up your mesh, and it kind of makes a little bow. Take a chip clip or a clothespin, put it around your first color. Same steps. Fold one side to the center, the other side to the center. Rotate the mesh, walk your fingers up it, and make another little bow. Now I'm putting the white mesh on top of the green each time. So I'm making a little bundle. I'm going to take a pipe cleaner that I cut in half and wrap it around my little bundle. Now you'll only want to twist the pipe cleaner once or twice. Don't twist it too much because it will set up high on your wreath. Next, I'm going to take my little bundle and I'm going to my wreath form, and I'm only using the center 2 wires. So that's the only wires we're going to be using. Take your pipe cleaners, wrap it around those 2 middle wires, go to the back, twist your pipe cleaners, and then fold the pipe cleaners down. Now I'm going to be using a pattern. So my first bundle doesn't have any ribbon. My second bundle is going to have ribbon. Third, no ribbon. Fourth, ribbon, and so on. And I'm cutting my ribbon at 7 inches. Ribbon is optional, so you do not have to add any ribbon to your wreath if you do not want to. And then here I'm just dovetailing the ends, so fold your ends to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends, just kind of dresses it up a little bit. Same steps, you're going to fold the ends toward the center, and that just kind of keeps down the fraying, because if you've worked with Dollar Tree mesh, you know it frays a lot, so this method just kind of keeps down the fraying. I think we're going to call this method the Destiny method, so if I refer to it later on, you'll know what I'm talking about. I am going to repeat the same steps all the way around the wreath. So I'm going to be making bundles, and I'm going to be making a pattern. Some of the bundles will have ribbon and some will not. Now there are 6 sections on each wreath form. So in each section, you're going to want to make 6 bundles. So you're going to make a total of 36 bundles for this wreath, and I'm using the 12-inch wreath form. This is the way it looks hanging on my front door. Now I couldn't decide how I wanted to decorate this wreath, so you're going to have to help me. I did add a bow, but that's it. So I'll show you how I made my bow in just a second. My daughter thought it looked pretty just like it is right here, but y'all know I love adding big bows to my wreath, so let out a tail, make a loop, pinch it tightly in your left hand, go to the other side, make another loop the same size as your first loop, keep it pinched tightly in your hand, go back to the first side, make another loop, check to make sure your loops are about the same size each time. Sometimes when you have a design on the ribbon, you have to twist the ribbon to keep the design on top. So check your loops to make sure they're the same size. When you get your bow the size you want, let out a tail. And this is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. Now you'll want to take a piece of floral wire, wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel, so if you're wanting something different, let me know and I can try to link a bow tutorial for you in the comment section. And then make sure you dovetail the ends and fluff the loops of your bow. And you're going to want to use ribbon with wire because that way it's just easier to shape your loops and the bow just keeps its shape a lot better. It's just easier to work with too. So here I'm just fluffing the loops, and now I'm going to take the wire and I'm going to thread the wire through the deco mesh, and then I'm going to go to the back, twist the wires, and then cut the wires off and fold them down. I like to thread the wires through the mesh because that way it does not change the shape of the wreath. And that's all I did was add a bow, so you'll have to let me know in the comments section how you would decorate this wreath. Does it need anything else, or is a bow enough? At the very end of this video, I added a clip of Willow. Most of you already know she is our new kitten, and my daughter came in and sat her on the table, and y'all said that she would love the deco mesh, and she does. It's hard to get a good video of her and good pictures because she's always moving and playing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you make one of these wreaths, I would love to see yours. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much.